Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Y'all want to know what I'm making for supper? Are y'all ready for another recipe using canned biscuits? All right, let's get in this kitchen and get to cooking, okay? Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of our home here at 4D Farms, where we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Y'all come on in and see what we're all about, because we want our channel to encourage you and inspire you on your journey. If you see something that you like, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. That helps our channel grow and reach more people. If you want to subscribe, and if you think other people can benefit from our videos, please share them. Y'all, we hope to see you in each and every video, and most of all, thanks for watching. Hey y'all, let's start by making this quick, simple dish. Y'all, I'm gonna call this buffalo chicken bubble up casserole. Y'all, I'm falling in love with these bubble up casseroles. I'm just telling you, I'm falling in love with them. They are quick, easy to put together. You can come up with different kind of combinations, concoctions, whatever you want to call it. And just put anything in these and just use your imagination, and they're all cooked the same way. Y'all, they're simple, quick, easy. You got meal on the table, and you got one of your favorites, canned biscuits. So, y'all, last night I cooked a whole chicken, roasted a whole chicken with some carrots and some sweet potatoes. We had that as a meal. Tonight I'm taking what is left of this chicken. I'm going to just skin this baby, get all the meat off the bone, because half of it I'm reserving to make dear hubby some chicken salad wraps for lunch, to go with some chips, to give him something a little different for lunchtime instead of sandwiches all the time. So the other half is going to be used in this casserole tonight. So y'all, a $9 chicken, I got 3 meals out of. Make your money work for you and stretch just a little longer. So let me skin this bird and get some prep work going, and then I'll take you along and we will make this dish for supper tonight. All right, y'all, I have already done a little prep work. I've got the oven preheating, 325, 350, whatever you want. I have sprayed a 9x13 casserole dish. You can make it smaller if you want to. I have already cut up the biscuit into each biscuit into 4 sections, and I've tossed them around in red hot buffalo wing sauce. Okay, now y'all, I deboned that chicken, got it all shredded up. This half is gonna be for hubby's chicken salad. I might even show you, throw that in there and show you how I'm gonna make his wraps. And then I've got the other half in this bowl, and I am fixing to just kind of start layering it on top of these biscuits, okay? I may have to use my hands, y'all, because yeah, it's kind of, when I put the sauce in there, it's kind of making it stick together. So let me get this on top of here, and then I'll show you what comes next, okay? All right, y'all, I got the chicken all on top of there, and I want some of the biscuits to peek through, because y'all, this is why it's called bubble up. Your biscuits are supposed to bubble up and peek through whatever you're putting in here. So now let's top with, let's do this. We're gonna use a little more of this and just drizzle on top like this. I need to reserve some because y'all, this is also going in a side slaw that's going to go with this. I'm going to make a spicy buffalo coleslaw. So I'm going to reserve the rest of this, okay? I'll show you that in just a second. Let's get this mozzarella cheese on top. I'm cheesy, y'all. Here we go. With all that cheese, I want all this to bubble up, y'all. Now, when I serve it, I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'm going to bake this until, y'all, the biscuits start bubbling up and are brown and done. I can't really say how many minutes because, y'all, I eyeball stuff, okay? just golden brown, bubbly. You see the biscuits popping through. Let's just pop the rest of that in there. How about it? Shall we? Okay, now I'm going to pop this in the oven. To serve this, y'all, I'm going to drizzle ranch on the top of it. There you go. All right? Dear hubby does not like celery sticks. You know how sorry, y'all, I had to get you up a little bit. You know how like you normally with buffalo chicken or something like that, you serve celery sticks, you know, and dip it in ranch? Well, yeah, he doesn't like celery sticks. So the side slaw we're going to have is a broccoli slaw, okay? Instead of just a regular cold slaw, I'm going to put this in a bowl. I'm going to mix it with mayonnaise, Duke's mayonnaise, y'all, because it has less sugar, and the red hot buffalo sauce. So it's just going to be like a buffalo broccoli slaw. That's what we'll call it. Buffalo broccoli slaw. Ooh, try to say that fast. Then when this comes out of the oven and we get ready to serve it, sit down and eat it, we're going to drizzle ranch on top. Yeah. How simple is this meal going to be put together? As I get the rest of this made, I'll bring you along. Now I'm fixing to start. While this is baking, I'm going to get that slaw mixed up, and then that's basically going to be ready so I can use my time wisely and start getting his chicken salad wraps together for lunch. So y'all just give me a minute. We'll get back to these and I'll show you, okay? All right, y'all. I got that broccoli slaw mixed up. There it is. Just mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and the buffalo wing sauce. Right here, I got dear hubby's chicken salad mixture. I got the chicken. I have walnuts, craisins, and y'all, they're less sugar. And I'm going to be using these whole wheat carb balance wraps for him. So I'm just going to sit here, wrap these up for his lunches. Y'all, lunch does not have to be hard or complicated. It doesn't have to be boring and sandwiches all the time. Soup your lunches up. Y'all, excuse me. I have a playlist on making lunches, packing lunches, whatever. And I give y'all a whole bunch of ideas for lunch making in each category, okay? Your meats or sandwiches or hot lunches, your little veggies, your fruits from all the food groups. I got videos on y'all for making better lunches where they don't have to be boring, okay? So I'm going to wrap this up. I'm fixing to put that in the oven. It beeped at me. So I'll let you see what it all looks like in just a second. All right, y'all, I got him 5 sandwiches or 5 wraps for this week. Y'all, and I also added some spinach to them just to try to use up some of this. Instead of putting lettuce on it, I just added spinach inside the wrap, folded it up like a burrito, and he's got 5 of these babies for this week. Okay, so there's lunch. All right, y'all, the buffalo chicken bubble up casserole is ready. Y'all see that? Golden brown. Hear it bubbling? I just wanted y'all to hear that. All right, I'm fixing to plate this up, drizzle it with some ranch, and we'll do a taste test. All right, y'all, here it is with the ranch. Okay, I'm fixing to do a taste test. Y'all, that thing was hot. Biscuits are all good and done. Let me get a little bite, and I'll show you what the biscuits look like. I want some cheese. I want some chicken. Y'all, I wished I would have had some of that sauce left over and drizzle some more of that on top. That would have been good, y'all. I want that bite right there. Oh, where'd my chicken go? There went my chicken on the counter. Okay, here we go. I'm going to show y'all this. Look at that. Biscuits are done. Look at that. It's hot, y'all. I think if I would have had some more of that sauce, y'all, I could have put some more of that on top, made it a little more juicier. But this is still good with ranch on top. It's going to be good with that slaw, too. Here we go. Okay, that ranch kind of cooled it off a little bit. Here we go. Hold on. Y'all, that's kind of good and spicy. I like that. I hear dear hubby pulling up. Let me get his plate fixed right quick, and I'll show you his plate. I forgot my slaw. Let me fix his plate, okay? Okay, there's dear hubby's plate. There's the broccoli slaw. Y'all enjoy.